Today we're diving deep into something that's crucial for all of us, especially my fellow men out there. Confidence. I get it. We all have those days when our self-esteem takes a nosedive. But fear not, because I've got 10 confidence hacks that'll help you boost your self-esteem like a pro. Let's dive right in. 10. Embrace vulnerability. You know, guys, it's okay to show vulnerability. It's a strength, not a weakness. When you open up, it builds trust, and trust breeds confidence. 9. Self-awareness. Understand yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses. Self-awareness is the foundation of true confidence. It's like knowing your own playing field. 8. Positive self-talk. Pay attention to that inner dialogue. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. It's like having your own personal cheerleader in your head. 7. Set goals. Confidence loves purpose. Set achievable goals and watch your confidence rise as you accomplish them. 6. Dress the part. Look good, feel good. Dressing well can significantly boost your confidence. Find a style that represents you and makes you feel awesome. 5. Take care of your body. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can do wonders for your confidence. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great too. 4. Failure is your friend. Embrace failure. It's where we learn the most. When you overcome failure, you become more resilient, and that's a huge confidence booster. 3. Expand your comfort zone. Challenge yourself. Stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things can make you realize just how capable you are. 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Hang out with people who lift you up. The right company can be a game changer for your self-esteem. 1. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait for a big win to feel confident. Celebrate the small victories along the way. They add up and keep you motivated. So there you have it, my friends. 10 confidence hacks to supercharge your self-esteem. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Embrace these hacks, and you'll see your self-esteem soar. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one resonated with you the most. And as always, stay confident, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.